Hari Om. Welcome my dear children to another session of biology. Hope all of you are staying safe at your home by obeying the instructions given by the health department. Okay? Stay home, stay safe, don't go outside. And dear children, always remember SMS, keep social distancing, wear double layered mask, use sanitizer. Drink a plenty of water, exercise regularly, then eat healthy food. Try to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet. So let's start the class with Swami Chinmayanandaji's thought. Just listen here. Brood less, smile more and serve all. Once again, listen. Brood less, smile more and serve all. Try to stop thinking about something sadly. Okay. Then smile more. That already you know that. What is our Vidyalaya's motto? Keep smiling. Try to keep a smile on your face. And with a pleasant smile, try to face all the difficult situations in your life. And serve all. Whoever may be, family members, relatives, friends, is it? And try to do good for the society, for the people in the society. Try to help others, okay? So dear children, always keep this thought in your mind. Just listen here, just move on to the topic. So today we are going to revise our chapter, that is the living organisms and their surroundings, is it? In this chapter, we have studied about different types of living organisms and their surroundings. At what type of surroundings they are living, what all features they have in their own body, is it? So, in this chapter, we have studied about habitat. What do you mean by habitat, Akshay? Yes, the dwelling place of an organism. It is called habitat. Is it clear? Yes. Nila, say it once more. What do you mean by habitat? Yes, the place where an organism lives, or the dwelling place of an organism. It is called habitat. Okay. And for the organisms, they are living in their own habitat and they need specific characters or body features they need to live in specific area. Is it? So that specific features, it is called adaptation, adaptive features. So what do you mean by adaptation, Nirubama? Yes, the presence of particular characters or body features which makes the organism easily to live in their own habitat. It is called adaptation. Is it clear? So there are mainly two types of habitat. Is it? Why Gasri Kumar? Say it. What are the two types of habitat? Yes, you are correct. That is terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat. Okay, so Girish, what are the two types of habitat? Yes, terrestrial habitat, then aquatic habitat. Dia, can you say what do you mean by terrestrial habitat? Yes, some plants and animals that they are living on the land, is it? Such habitat is called terrestrial habitat. The animals and plants which lives on land, and that habitat is called terrestrial habitat. The next, aquatic habitat. Can you say what do you mean by aquatic habitat, Shraddha? Yes, correct. In water. Some plants and animals are living in water, is it? Such type of habitat is called aquatic habitat. So, what are the two types of habitat, Krishna Prabha? Yes, terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat. So next, see this different types of terrestrial habitat. Which are they? Yes, deserts, mountain regions, grasslands. These are the examples for this terrestrial habitat. Desert, the plants and animals living in the desert area. They have their own adaptive features. For example, when we are taking this plants, is it? Yes, they will lose only small amount of water during this transpiration process because desert area water availability is very scarce, is it? So like that, then the plants, the leaves of the plants are reduced to spines. They have a waxy coating layer on that, is it? Then what about animals living in the desert? For example, camel. Is it? They can store food and water, and their legs, hoof of the legs are very strong in order to withstand the sandy area. Is it? So these all are the main adaptive features for animals and plants living in the desert areas. Then what about mountain regions? Normally mountain regions, in that areas there are so many trees. Snowfall will be there, is it? So the trees in the mountain regions they are cone shaped. Then their leaves are spindle or needle shape. Why? Yes, when the snow falls, the shape is very easier to slide off the snow very easily. Then what about animals? Tiger and all, they have thick fur, thick layer of skin. That's it. ഭയങ്കര thick ആയിട്ടുള്ള fur ആയിരിക്കും in order to withstand in that extreme condition in the mountain regions. Then what about next? Grasslands. For example, then we take a lion as an example. The lions, they are very light brown in color. Why? Yes, because they want to adapt with that surrounding. Is it? Then only they can see the prey and all. Then they have sharp sight to observe the predators and all. Is it? So these are the adaptive features of plants and animals living in different habitat. The next is aquatic habitat. Mainly oceans, ponds and lakes. Is it? The plants and animals living in the water. And you know, the plants living in the water, they have reduced roots because the main function of the root is to fix the plant in the water. Then what about animals? Yes, their skin must be, their body must be streamlined in shape, then slippery in tight, which enables the movement of animals in the water very easily. So these are the adaptive features for those living in aquatic habitat. Is it clear? So the next topic is biotic components and abiotic components. Is it? So what do you mean by biotic components? Yes, you are correct. That means the living components of the nature, plants and animals. Then what do you mean by abiotic components? Yes, the non-living elements. Is it? That means soil, rock, pressure, temperature, etc. So these are the main two components of the nature, that is biotic and abiotic. So after that we have studied about the main characteristics of living things. Is it? So Dheeraj, can you say one main characteristic of living things? Yes, living things need food. Then Balesh, another one. Yes, living things respire. Is it? Then Shivani, another one. Yes, living things excrete. Then living things reproduce. Is it? So these all are the main characteristics of living things, is it? Living things need food. Living things shows growth. It excrete, respire, reproduce. Is it? Then another main point is respond to stimuli. Living things respond to stimuli. So these all are the main features or characteristics of living things. So dear children, I hope all of you understood the chapter that we have revised today. If you have any more doubts, you can just text me in WhatsApp. So dear children, God bless you all. Let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.